Okay, so this is the introduction to the remainder theorem. All right, we're just going to worry about the first two items for now. If you let f of x be a polynomial, if you divide f of x by x minus c, the remainder will be f of c. Okay, all that means is if you have x minus c, you take the original polynomial and plug in positive c in place of x. Whatever number you get will be the remainder. All right, and the second one, if you divide f of x by x plus c, the remainder will be f of negative c. Okay, so you take the thing you're dividing by, and if it's plus c, you change the sign to negative c. You plug that into the polynomial in place of x. Whatever number you get, that is your remainder. So I'll do a couple of examples on the worksheet we already did. Okay, so here is the worksheet we did, and I have the answers displayed. All right, so in this first problem, problem number 1, okay, we see that the remainder is negative 3, okay? So I'm going to get that answer at the end. So we are dividing by m minus 8. So what you do is you change the sign on that. You change it to positive 8, okay? And you take that positive 8 and you plug it in wherever you see an m, all right? And that's going to give you your remainder, okay? So we could say f of x, or in this case, it's f of m, all right, is m squared minus 7m minus 11, okay? And we're going to plug in positive 8 in place of m. So that's 8 squared minus 7 times 8 minus 11, okay? So that's 64 minus 56. That's positive 8 minus 11, and that equals negative 3. Okay, that negative 3 is your remainder. And we can confirm this by looking at the answer. They got negative 3 as the remainder. Okay, so we didn't divide anything there. We just found the remainder. Okay, so that's how you find the remainder. You reverse the sign of the thing that you're dividing by, and you plug it in to the original polynomial, and that will give you your remainder. All right, let's do one more. So let's look at number 8. Okay, you can see our remainder is positive 9. All right, so let's see if we can get that answer. We're dividing by x plus 6, so we change the sign, negative 6. You take that negative 6 and you plug it into the original wherever you see an x. All right, so the original f of x equals x squared plus 5x plus 3. Okay, and we're plugging in negative 6. So f of negative 6 equals x squared, so that's negative 6 squared plus 5 times negative 6 plus 3. Okay, negative 6 squared is 36, minus 30 is positive 6, plus 3 is positive 9. Okay, you could do it on the calculator if you want. So that 9 is our remainder. Okay, so we didn't do any dividing there. We just used this technique to find the remainder. And you can see from the answer, the remainder is plus 9, so it matches.